Hey guys, as you already know, Anthropic new Claude Fable 5 is officially launched, and from the new benchmarks, it is considered as the most powerful Mythos class AI model for coding right now. Usually, this flagship model is for the max enterprises users only because of the high API cost. But what if I tell you that you can use Claude Fable 5 completely for free? Yes, you heard it right. As you can see on my screen, I am showing you the proof that I am using Claude Fable 5 to build entire website, and it is completely free of cost. So if you want to know how am I using Claude Fable 5 completely free of cost, you have to watch this video completely because I have given a step-by-step tutorial how you can do that. Okay, so without any wasting time, let's get started. First, go to Chrome and search for GitLab. Then click on this link and click on free trial. And now here you got this form. Here go with below, continue with Google, and here let's sign up with your any Gmail account. Okay, and keep in mind to click on create free trial. Okay, now you have this form and now you have to fill up in the form. Just fill all the details like I am filling the all the details. Now click here, enter, and you got this project. Now after that, what you have to do is just simply go to right side and you can see a chat box here at the above and make it bigger. After that, here you can see we have a chat here. Now what you have to do is you have to select the model. For that, just go to AI, then agents, and here you can see there are some agents, but we don't have to worry about this, but increase this one. And here you can see in the below, here you can select the model. So as you can see, there are n number of models we have, so we will just go with Claude Fable 5. Okay, so here it is. Now select it, and now we are going to test it out. So yeah, I'm not just kidding, I'm going to test this out. So I will write a prompt like create a landing page for business. Okay, and the business is about hotels. Okay, that's all what I am going to type. Now then, as you can see, GitLab start working, and here you can see I'm using Claude Fable 5, right? Yeah, so you can see I'm right using, and don't worry, I'm going to show you the website as well, like what it creates. But in that meantime, you could just go to like the video, subscribe our channel, and also share the video to all, and also comment me your best part you like. Okay, so if you have anything, just let me know in the comment section, and if you want, you can just comment me like what type of video you want in the future. So I will try my best to provide you that see things. Okay, so no need to worry. And here you can see finally our website is ready. So yeah, approve this one first, and then here you can see it takes a little more time, and here just click here and expand this one. And here you got a index.html file, and here you can see we have an index.html file. Copy it and then go to your VS Code, like I'm using this test again. Okay, and then here I'm going to create another file name, that is fable5.html, and then just paste the all the codes. After that, let's test it with live server. So open with live server, and here it is. The website is here. So the design looks basics, no, for intelligent coding like Fable 5. But yeah, it's good because I just gave a simple prompt, and you already know the providers get some relief from the main model. So yeah, there is no issue. And if you give a proper prompt, it will create a perfect website just like you wanted. Okay, so you can go and check this out, guys. As you can see, I have just showed you the practicals as well as proof, like how I'm going to use this, and as well as how you get this free. So it is about 30-day trial, so you can use it properly with 30 days. So there will be no issue in upcoming days for you guys. Okay, so you can go and check this out, and if you have any issue, just let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to provide you the solution of your issue as soon as possible. So be with us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. So that's all about today's video, and I hope you like it. So see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.